Control process in management. What is control process? It is the system in management that grants measure, match, setting, and change any activities in business like delivery, production, packing, and more. Controlling is a needed part of the management process. Without control process, the management is useless because you don't know if your plan is working or progressing. Without control process, you will not be capable in leading a workforce. And overall, control process is the working function within an organization to manage the goals and strategic plans of the organization. The 4 steps of control process. Number 1. Establishing standards and methods for measuring performance. Number 2 is measuring performance. Number 3. Determining whether performance matches the standard. Number 4. Taking corrective action. The definition of each 4 steps. Number 1. Establishing standards and methods for measuring performance. Standards by its definition means performance. They are the peak points of the whole program where performance is measured, so the managers will be informed of how the plan is going throughout the process, and the managers won't feel bothered in overseeing every step of the plan executions. Number 2. Measuring the performance. This is the measurement of performance against standards that should be done on a forward-looking basis so that deviations may be looked into in advance of their occurrence and prevented by appropriate actions. Managers handle this by forming labor unions, subordinate loyalty, and giving allotted hour standards during the working time so the measurement of the progress will be monitored. Number 3. Determining whether performance matches the standard. This is an easy but important step in the control process. It's about comparing the measured results with the already set standards. Simply, it's checking if everything is under control and prevents the manager to constantly intervene in the operations if ever there's a problem. Number 4. Taking corrective action. This step becomes essential if ever the performance fails to meet the standards given and the analysis that corrective action is needed. Taking corrective action can involve some slight changes in one or more activities in the operations. A good example is like if a manager sees that some of the workers have no skills in a certain kind of specific activity, since not all specializes the same kind of skills in every activities. So the manager allows those who are capable to do that kind of activity, while the rest who aren't should continue doing the work they're capable of doing, or the manager will make another alternative activity where those who are unskilled might find comfortable with working in. In conclusion, control process aims not only to create a plan or maintain a stable flow of performance, but also to provide constructive ways in making advanced counter plans if ever a problem is encountered along the work progress. So that is all, and thank you.